Hello, little explorers!
Welcome to our Montessori Sound Basket adventure. Today, we're going to discover the special sounds of letter F, letter B, and letter H. Are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Let's start with letter F. F makes the sound F. Say it with me. F, F, F. F is for fire, fire, fire. F is for frog, frog, frog. F is for fish, fish, fish. Let's say it together. F is for fire, frog, fish, fire, frog, fish. F makes the sound F, F, F. This is letter B. B makes the sound B. Say it with me. B, B, B. B is for ball, ball, ball. B is for butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. B is for bee, bee, bee. Let's say it together. B is for ball, butterfly, bee, ball, butterfly, bee. Letter B makes the sound B, B, B. This is letter H. H makes the sound H. Say it together. H, H, H. H is for house, house, house. H is for horse, horse, horse. H is for hat, hat, hat. Let's say it together. H is for house, horse, hat, house, horse, hat. Letter H makes the sound H, H, H.
Great job exploring the sounds with us today! Goodbye! See you next time, explorers!